Ready to make some serious cash with your video editing skills? Here's how InVideo AI can help you rake it in. First up, offer freelance video editing services. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are packed with clients searching for top-notch video content. Use InVideo to create social media ads, explainer videos, and more. Next, create engaging social media content. Businesses and influencers are always hungry for eye-catching videos for Instagram and TikTok. With InVideo, you can whip up short-form videos and animated stories in no time. Want to be your own boss? Start a YouTube channel. Use InVideo to effortlessly produce tutorials, reviews, and educational content, and monetize through ads and sponsorships. Affiliate marketing is another goldmine. Make polished product reviews with InVideo templates and earn commissions from your affiliate links. And don't forget online courses. Create and sell educational videos on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. InVideo's tools make it a breeze. With InVideo AI, the possibilities are endless, so what are you waiting for? Start creating and start earning today.